Show me your trick. What's your new trick? Yeah? Are you trying to blow bubbles? Charlie! What are you doing? What is that, buddy? You're silly. Oh, spit up! Oh, more spit up! Sick, man. Hold on, Daddy getting your burp cloth. He's still doing it. You're so silly! You're the most silly ever! Are you so silly? Who's the most silly baby? What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah? Really? No way. Whoop. And there he goes. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Crazy? Tell me again. Tell me your story again. I want to hear it. Tell me the story again, please. No, tell me the story.